Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. NumPy is a powerful library in Python for numerical computing, and one of its features is the ability to work with polynomials through the poly1d and polyfit functions. Here's a detailed tutorial on how to use these functions effectively. Hashtag overview of numpy.polyfit and numpy.poly1d. 1 numpy.polyfit, x, y, deg. This function fits a polynomial of degree deg to the data points defined by x and y. It returns the coefficients of the polynomial, which can then be used to evaluate the polynomial at any point. 2 numpy.poly1d, coefs. This function creates a polynomial object from the coefficients obtained from polyfit. You can use this object to evaluate the polynomial, find its derivative, integral, and much more. Hashtag steps to use polyfit and poly1d. 1. Import libraries. You need to import numpy to use these functions. 2. Prepare data. Gather your data points, x and y. 3. Fit a polynomial. Use polyfit to find the coefficients for the polynomial that best fits your data. 4. Create a polynomial object. Use poly1d to create a polynomial from the coefficients. 5. Evaluate the polynomial. You can use the polynomial object to get predicted values or plot the polynomial. Hashtag code example. Here's a complete example that demonstrates these steps. Hashtag explanation of the code. 1. Data preparation. We define 2 numpy arrays x and y representing our data points. 2. Polynomial fitting. We use np.polyfit, x, y, degree, to fit a polynomial of the specified degree, 2 in this case, to our data. The resulting coefficients are stored in the coefficients variable. 3. Creating a polynomial. We create a polynomial object using np.poly1d, coefficients. 4. Evaluation for plotting. We generate a range of x values for plotting the fitted polynomial. We use the polynomial object to compute corresponding y values. 5. Plotting. We visualize the original data points and the fitted polynomial using matplotlib. 6. Output. Finally, we print the fitted polynomial coefficients and the polynomial equation. Hashtag conclusion. Using numpy.polyfit and numpy.poly1d allows you to easily fit polynomials to data points and manipulate polynomial equations in Python. This is particularly useful in data analysis, regression analysis, or any application where polynomial fitting is needed.